Now let's move to indexing in Pandas. So I have written here, I have created one data frame over here, named it as df2, and its index for me it should be 0123. So, and this data frame I have created it as a dictionary. So I have converted a dictionary into a data frame. So these are my keys, like we have already studied in our Python basics. These are my keys and these are my values. So dictionary is a key value pair. Key is immutable, we cannot change the key. Values are mutable, we can change the values. So hope you remember this, guys. It is very important. So let's move forward. Let me execute. You can see there is a matrix forms of sports, city, Amazon, currency. Sports we have cricket, football, and so on. City, Delhi, Pune, and these are my Amazon data and the currency values. Now I want to access my second row. For that, we will use a log function. In Pandas, we use LOC function to access the element inside my data frame. So we have to give a data frame name dot LOC function and which row we want to access. So I want to access my second row. In my second row, I can see the sports, city, Amazon, country are volleyball, Chennai, clothes, and euro. Okay guys, I want to access my index 2 rows. So this is the output: sports, city, Amazon, currency. So I'll get this index value. Yeah. Now let's suppose I want to access index value row 1, index 1. So for that, use LOC function, write 1 and then execute. You will see sports, city, Amazon, currency, and the row values of my first is football, Pune, furniture, and dollar. Okay, now I want to access my two columns. To get the column directly using the data frame indexing, we don't have to use a LOC function, which is directly give our column name. So df2 and our column name city and currency. Now if I want to access the combination of rows and columns, so for that we use ILOC function. This is very important, very important. It is very useful when you clean our data, when you want to access, because in data, when you work on in your practical projects, in your real life projects in industry, there you will see a raw data with lots of columns, which are many columns are irrelevant for us to work on analysis, to make predictions. So in that case, we just get only those columns and those number of rows which are relevant for us. So for that we use a ILOC to access the combination of rows and columns. So I am giving my data frame name dot ILOC, and then here I want to access all my rows and all my columns. So I will give this quotes colon and colon comma colon. These values are rows and these values are column. Let's execute it, and as an output I will get all my rows and all my columns. Now let's move forward. Now I want my 0th row and all the columns of 0th row, and now I want my 0 row and the columns first to third. All my rows 0 to 3 and only for the column number 1 2 3. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. But it will ignore 3. We have already learned this. It will ignore 3. It will just give my first and second row. So my one row is this city and the second row is Amazon. 0 1 2 3. So I'll get all the rows of city and Amazon. Now guys, I want you to do one small exercise. I want you to get the elements Pune, furniture, Chennai and clothes. Pune, furniture, Chennai and clothes. And along with that, there is one more assignment. Get the element cricket, rupee, baseball and dirham. So just explore more, practice more, and you will these both are very simple. You will able to get the answer for both the exercises.